everybody, welcome back, or hello if you're new. My name is Fab, and today I'm looking at a palette that came out last year. It's called the Spring Magic palette from Unearthly, and I didn't buy it at the time because I really thought that this was going to be their old formula, and I was used to that. I'd seen it, decluttered it, didn't like it. But then I bought newer palettes from them, like the Gothic Romance and the Monster Made a Monster palette that came out this Valentine's Day. And I was super impressed with the quality, the shimmers in those. So I thought I'd take the chance and buy this. Let me show you what it looks like inside. It is a super pretty colour story. I mean, you know, proper springy, right? But I don't want to judge it before I've even swatched it. I'm not sure. I'm side-eyeing this. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, so here's the outside of the palette. It is lovely. I really like this. It's got like zombie hands or something with little skulls and dried flowers. It's nice. I like it. It's kind of spooky looking, and it has a 24-month shelf life. Okay, so inside, that is a really nice colour story, no doubt. I particularly like this neutral brown in the middle. But honestly, other than that, maybe this one stands out, but I don't know. Okay, let's just do it. Let's just swatch it, and I'll shut up until I have. Okay, so breezy. Wow. Okay, the mattes are brilliant. I must say there's an excellent quality matte formula from Unearthly. Look at that beautiful gradient of colour. That is so nice. And then the browns. Oh, that's pretty. That's a colour that I would use all day long, just on its own. Okay, wow, those blues stain your fingertips. Okay, so the brown is called Glove. Is that glove or clove? I think it's clove. And then Herbalist. This one feels a bit dry. Lovely colour. And then Full Moon. A nice white. It's a decent one. Flourish. Okay, pretty. And finally, ran out of clean fingers, we have Blossom, which is a nice mid-tone reddish brown. Pretty, quite peachy. Nice selection of mattes, actually. Okay. So along with those 9 mattes, we've got 9 shimmers, starting with Clouds. Pretty. It's Lilac, also very pretty. Dragonfly. And Sunshine. That is very nice. Pink Gold. And then Grimoire. Oh, wow. Okay, that... Do you know what when you just know it's going to be good? Sprout. Right. And then Warmth. It's quite translucent. Pretty topper, but you can build it up. And then Lush. Peach Gold. And then finally Mystic. And I have to say that apart from a couple of duochromes, and that one's probably a multichrome, I don't know, guys. I just don't know. This formula feels different to me than the newer ones. Let me just show you. Okay, so I don't know if you can tell through the screen, but the shimmers in this Gothic Romance palette and this Made a Monster palette, they are much thicker and shinier. So, for example, let me just swatch a couple from here. This one and this one. Oh, wow, that one is exceptional. It's just thin and stunning. I would wear that on its own, just with some eyeliner and some mascara. And then this one, I mean, can you tell? It's so much more shiny than these others. I wish that they would stick to a blinking formula so that I don't make these mistakes in future. I'm not saying that I don't like this formula. It is better than the very old, like the Law palette and things like that. It's much better than those, but not great. I'm not loving it. I'm enjoying it, but I'm not loving it, which means that it's less likely that I'm going to reach for this palette than I am these two. I mean, these are just the bomb, honestly. Yeah, you can tell that apart from this shade, Grimoire, the rest of them just kind of ordinary looking. Anyway, that's just my feeling on it. Like I say, I wish they'd pick a formula, stick to that formula, and then I wouldn't have to be concerned about, well, what's inside it, or just wait for other reviews. And maybe that's what I should do in future, not just buy it and hope for the best, but wait for some reviews to come out. I have to say the matte formula in all of these is excellent. So if you like their mattes, you won't be disappointed. They are really, really cool. Okay, that's it. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Do let me know which of their formulas is your favourite. Do you have any of these palettes? And I will see you soon for the next one. Take care. Stay safe, everybody.